Welcome to Your Choice, your ultimate destination for all things cycling and adventure. Introducing the SERAPH Carbon Road Bike, the perfect combination of power, speed, and elegance. Designed for racers, commuters, and thrill seekers alike. Color options: black, dark gray, silver, white, and the mesmerizing color silver white. And the mesmerizing color white. Sizes from XXS to XXL, we've got you covered for every height. With its 24-speed Sensor group set, the SERAPH ensures precision and effortless riding on any terrain. Safety meets performance. With our double disc braking system, giving you reliable control at every turn. Crafted from premium carbon fiber, this bike is lightweight, durable, and built for serious speed. It's good for 60 to 180 miles an hour. Weighing just 9.8 kilograms, the SERAPH road bike is perfect for pushing limits without breaking a sweat. Whether you're a competitive cyclist or an everyday rider, this bike adapts to you. Built for men but loved by all, the SERAPH is designed for anyone with a passion for cycling. Load capacity, 150 kg. Wheel size, 700 Rim material, aluminum. Ready to elevate your ride? Experience the SERAPH Carbon Road Bike, where innovation meets perfection. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Gear Choice for more amazing cycling content and updates. Huge shout out to join the Gear Choice family today. Happy riding.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, nope.